Yeah, look at my face sweating. Look at my face. Sweating. Look at my face, dude. Fuck you. Fucking Breaker Boys for life.
Oh my god. Looky there. Ho 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 ho. Dude, sick. Wow. They're fucking billet.
Yeah. They're got some weight to them for sure. They are
Heavy.
kind of heavy. But I don't know.
Should we see how much that weighs?
I don't know if it's because of 21. Is that why? Those hubs are beefy looking.
Beefy. Dude, check it out. Me and Maddie both got a set of ULTIMA Manhattens for the baggers. And our Shinkos came in. Woo! Alright, well, let's see if we can put these on. Yo, we're here. I gotta get the banjo bolt. We're gonna get the 21 and the 18 mounted up. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh shit, look at that. Alright, was gonna mount these at my crib, but my machine's ghetto. New rims, want them to stay nice, so I brought them here.
Sucks. Just tell them the truth.
I got new pieces for it though. Oh, it's running away. Look at it go. Look at it go. See, let's durability test. Durability test. Pass.
So I can look cool on camera.
All right, slap the Ultimas on. Whew, she's looking good. Looking real good, boys. So yeah, if anyone was wondering, man, I got this wheel for the 21 by 3.5 front wheel for $4.99. Krüe's Custom Cycles. This is an 18 3.5, same thing. I believe it was just a little bit cheaper, you know, like $4.50, $4.25, something like that. Yeah, man, all she needs is a seat, man. If I had a seat, it'd be fucking on. I'm gonna go rip with the boys tomorrow, so keep you posted. Later. Dialed, boys. Ready to shred tomorrow. I know this thing's missing a seat so bad. Can't get my hands on one right now. Slap some grip tape on her for tomorrow. She's stuck on there real good. So. Well, here it is, guys. I'm in love. The ULTIMA Manhattens are a go. The bike was amazing. It drifts amazing. The tall stance with the 21 and the 18 seriously is a total move. It makes the bike feel big and kind of like dirt bikey. All in all, super hyped. Check out ULTIMA Manhattan. We bought them from Krüe's Custom Cycles. eBay, I bought the front 21 for $499 and the rear for like $450 or something like that, and that's an 18. They're billet aluminum, like they are badass. So I was like, let's go. So we bought them and couldn't be more than stoked. So I'll keep you posted on what we're doing next, but that's gonna be the end of this.